Hey yo! When y'all see these, y'all gonna see me. It's like we go together. You heard me? YouTube! It's your boy Tcthebarber. See, they shouldn't have put these in my hand. You know what I'm saying? Finna do damage with these. This is gonna be my first victim. Designed by Ferrari. You feel me? I figured since I couldn't afford to get the Ferrari, I go get the design clippers. You feel me? And before I get into this is a bunch of unboxing with these clippers. They came out about 8 months ago. Don't quote me on that. But anyway, I figure I'll unbox them my way. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get a chance to unbox them. Let me open my present. You feel me? Dang. Anyways, we finna pop these things open, man, and see what they talking about. Roll with me on this one. Alright. So before we pop these bad boys open, I'm gonna read off the things I like about it already, just by looking at the box. So I got the DLC titanium zero gap T-blade. Already comes zero gap. And then the lithium ion battery, of course. And then the 7200 RPM. And let me tell y'all, this killed me right here. The 3 hour of running time, bruh. Oh, hell no. This is a gift from God if you think about it, man. Cause like us barbers, especially when you cut back to back, sometimes I ain't gonna lie, man, I forget to charge my clippers. You know what I mean? So, cause I'm just constantly cutting and constantly working through haircuts, and like the 3 hours of running time, man, is crazy nice, son. You feel me, B? So anyways, let's open them up, man. What's the hold up, right? Take that off real quick. Set that right there. Alright, baby. Take that seal off, baby. You know what I'm saying? And being that they designed by Ferrari, man, like if you look at the clippers, like they kind of look like a little Ferrari clipper. Anyways, but so these coming out the box, these are how they look. Let me see, give y'all a little close up so y'all can see. You know what I mean? FX blade right there on top. Get a little close up so y'all can see that. Okay. And the way they shape, I love the way they shape. It kind of remind me of the let me pull them out real quick. The Slimline, Andy Slimline. Pretty much shaped the same, you know what I mean? And I do love the Andy Slimline. Don't get me twisted. But I already like the feel of them already. You know what I mean? Let's turn these things on. Let's see. Hold on. Ooh-wee. I like that beep before they. I mean, I guess that's weird to say, but man, I like the way they come on and the way they feel powerful, man. Some powerful little joints. I just had to hear that beat one more time. That's dope. So yeah, man, these are powerful, man. Just holding them in my hand and just to feel the power. Ooh, they shouldn't have put these in my hand. Let me tell you something. They shouldn't have put these in my hand, because the damage I'm about to do to these haircuts, not damage in the sense I'm about to mess. Y'all know what I'm talking about. These lines is gonna be crispy. But anyways, so that's how they look. Set these right there. Let's see what comes in this box. You got the charger that comes with it, of course. Gonna have that. And this right here, this must be like a little. Okay, so this what it is. The hook that goes on the clippers, on the back of the clippers, and also the little host. Let me show y'all real quick. Of course, it comes with the oil that you put on the clippers, the dust brush, and the maintenance tool right there, up in there. You know what I'm saying? The maintenance tool, you know. And yeah, man, that's what it come with. So but yeah. So that's my unboxing, man. Super excited, man, to get the cutting. open up tomorrow. And Tuesday morning, I'm finna be using these boys. I don't even want to talk about it. But anyways, YouTube, again, it's your boy Tcthebarber. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all enjoyed my unboxing. I'm super excited right now to get these. But I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell, hit the thumbs up. You know what I mean? If you like what you see. And catch y'all on the next one.